በስመ አብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ አሐዱ አምላክ አሜን. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's 6th lesson, we'll be going over the 7th paragraph in Yezewter Tselot. Shabbat. Pay attention to how the prayer is said when being said by Niva and also when the intonations are shown.
ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ ስብሐት ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ ስብሐት ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ በምሕረቱ ይዘከረነ አመዳግም ምጽአቱ እያስታፍረነ ለሰቦተ ስሙ ያንቀሐነ ወበአምልኮቱ ያጽናአነ እግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ አይረጊ ጸሎተነ ዋስተስሪ ኃጢአተነ ቅድመ መንበሩ ለእግዚእነ ለዘአብልዐነ ዘንተ ህብስተ ወለዛ ያስተነ ዘንተ ጽዋዕ ወለዘ ሠርዐ ለነ ሲሳየነ ዋራዘነ ወለዘ ተአገሰ ለነ ኩሎ ኃጢአተነ ወለዘ ወሃበነ ሥጋሁ ቅዱሰ ወደሙ ክቡረ ወለዘ አብጽሐነ እስከዛቲ ሰዓት ነሃብ ሎቱ ስብሐተ ወአኮቴተ ለእግዚአብሔር ልዑል ወለወላዲቱ ድንግል ወለመስቀሉ ክቡር ይትአኮት ወይሰባህ ስሙ ለእግዚአብሔር ወትረ በኩሉ ጊዜ ወበኩሉ ሰዓት.
Now I'll be going over the intonations, just for those who are new or in case you've forgotten. When I snap, then that means it is a rising intonation. When my hands go like this, then that means it is a straight intonation. And when my hands fall, then that means it is a falling intonation. ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ ስብሐት ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ ስብሐት ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ በምህረቱ ይዘከረነ አመዳግም ምጽአቱ እያስታፍረነ ለሰቦተ ስሙ ያንቀሐነ ወበአምልኮቱ ያጽናአነ እግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ አይረጊ ጸሎተነ ዋስተስሪ ኃጢአተነ ቅድመ መንበሩ ለእግዚእነ ለዘአብልዐነ ዘንተ ህብስተ ወለዘ ያስተየነ ዘንተ ጽዋዕ ወለዘ ሠርዐ ለነ ሲሳየነ ወሃራዘነ ወለዘ ተአገሰ ለነ ኩሎ ኃጢአተነ ወለዘ ወሃበነ ሥጋሁ ቅዱሰ ወደሙ ክቡረ ወለዘ አብጽሐነ እስከዛቲ ሰዓት ነሃብ ሎቱ ስብሐተ ወአኮቴተ ለእግዚአብሔር ልዑል ወለወላዲቱ ድንግል ወለመስቀሉ ክቡር ይትአኮት ወይሰባህ ስሙ ለእግዚአብሔር ወትረ በኩሉ ጊዜ ወበኩሉ ሰዓት. Now that you have heard both ways of saying the prayer, I want to give you a method so that you can quickly memorize any paragraph you want, including this one. You begin by listening to the intonations. Once you feel confident in yourself that you know the ups, the downs, and then you go on to the first part, which is the nivab. You repeatedly listen to it continuously on loop. Once you feel confident again in yourself, you try and memorize it by yourself without using any external support or any other thing. Thank you for watching this video. Be on the lookout for my next video, which is on Salam Leki and Tselot Eggzitana Maryam. Just know that once we finish this, we will be finished Kifl and we will be going into Kifl Hulet. Since we will be entering Wudatse Maryam Monday, I want you to go over all the prayer that you have learned in Kifl or in Yezewter Tselot. Use the method that I just gave you, and you'll be good to go for the next level. And until next time.